nighttime comes on slow in Colorado. The mountains are blue and green. The stars like to whisper little things, and the moon always sings her song to me, saying, boy, when you look at the horizon, won't you tell me what it is you see? Do you have to make up something from nothing, or is it just the way you knew it to be? Singing, boy, you're gonna break her heart. If not now, then sometime along the way. Well, there might be a palace in this fairy tale, you know, but boy, you're gonna break her heart. Oh boy, you're gonna break her heart. I told the moon he lived so far away and lonesome. To you the earth is just a spinning ball of clay. Where the sky falls, the land is ever changing, from the mountains to the foothills and the plains. And the morning sky is rich and filled with color. Sun comes up to even out the day, and when he goes down, that tapestry's painted. It's sure to go as quickly as he came. Well, I know I'm gonna break her heart. If not now, then sometime along the way. Well, there might be a palace in this fairy tale, I know, but I know I'm gonna break her heart. Oh, I know I'm gonna break her heart. Oh, in the evening sky, won't you tell me why I'm going away so alone? Come the early morning hours, I'll be miles and miles away from my home. Oh, I know I'm gonna break her heart, I'm gonna break her heart, I'm gonna break her heart.
All inside our Amsterdam she hides watery eyes, not howling when she's waving high, her other hands in all silhouette, she's growing tall and fine. She's got my back, she'll follow me down every street, no matter